welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and I'll show you how to record slow motions videos on this device. So first we should go into the camera application and then switch it to the more section here. Now here we can select the slow motion, tap here, and just to start record the slow motion you should click here once on this button. Now we'll shoot the video, for example the 10 seconds. Now just to stop it, click here, and you can see now that we just successfully shoot the slow-mo video here. So that's it. That's how to record slow motion videos on our Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.